when somebody hears, listen to the fear that's gone, strangled by the wishes of Peter, hoping for the arms of Mater. Get to meet her sooner or later. I'll keep holding on. I'll keep holding on. Holding back the years, chance for me escape from all I've known, holding back the tears, 'cause nothing here is grown. I've wasted all my tears, wasted all those years. Nothing had the chance to be good, nothing ever could, yeah. Sing the song with me now, come on. I'll keep holding on. Beautiful. I'll keep holding on. Oh, yes, I will. I'll keep holding on. I'll keep holding on. Holding so tight. On the trumpet, it's the Canary. All right. Oh, now. Well, I've wasted all my tears, wasted all of those years, and nothing had the chance to be good, 'cause nothing ever could. Oh, no, no. Come on now. I'll keep holding on. Oh, yes, I will. Holding you so tight now. Yeah, 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 yeah. Holding, holding, holding. Oh, la, 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 la. Said, ooh, well, that's all I have today. It's all I have to say. That's all I have today. It's all I have to say. Yeah. Oh. Thank you. Anyone who ever held you would tell you the way I'm feeling. Anyone who ever wanted you would try to tell you what I feel inside. The only thing I ever wanted was the feeling that you ain't faking. The only one you ever thought about. Wait a minute, can't you see that? man who tried to hurt you. He's explaining the way I'm feeling for all the jealousy I caused you. States the reason why I'm trying to hide. As for all the things you've taught me, it sends my future into clearer dimensions. You'll never know how much you hurt me. Wait a minute, can't you see that? Got to fall from the stars straight into your arms. I feel you, I hope you comprehend. Oh, yeah.